The ELIKLIV EDM9 Pro 1200x HDMI digital microscope is a technological marvel that redefines precision and clarity in the world of microscopy. Packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this microscope caters to a wide range of applications, making it an indispensable tool for professionals, hobbyists, and educators. Let's delve into the remarkable features of the EDM9 Pro and explore why it's garnering attention in the field of digital microscopy. Upgraded ELIKLIV EDM9 Pro microscope. Featuring a 1920x1080p resolution and a 7-inch IPS screen, with a 178-degree super wide viewing angle, the EDM9 Pro offers an unparalleled visual experience. The advanced IPS glossy screen ensures a high-definition output monitor with true-to-life colors, eliminating splash screens and stuck images. This makes it ideal for various applications, including circuit board soldering, watch clock repair, plant observation, jewelry appraisal, and error coin identification. Good for entire coin view. The EDM9 Pro stands out in coin observation with its 8.5-inch longer metal bracket that can display an entire coin. The aluminum bracket and base contribute to extra durability and stability, making it an excellent tool for inspecting and documenting coin collections. It's not just a microscope, it's a collector's companion. 10 to 1200x magnification. With a 16MP photo resolution, the EDM9 Pro delivers excellent image quality. The microscope's zoom capabilities range from 10x to an impressive 1200x, allowing users to observe the tiniest details. The magnification is controlled by the distance between the lens and the object, providing flexibility for various applications. HDMI USB simultaneously output for larger view. The microscope offers plug-and-play functionality, supporting both HDMI and USB output. It comes with HDMI and USB cables, providing users with multiple options for connecting to monitors, TVs, or computers. No additional software is required, simply use the default Windows camera for Windows 10 and photo booth for iMac, MacBook. 8 LEDs plus 2 side lights. Equipped with 8 LED lights around the lens and 2 adjustable side lights, the EDM9 Pro ensures extra visibility for zoomed-in objects. The 8.6-inch flexible gooseneck allows users to direct the light precisely where it's needed, enhancing the clarity of observations. Wireless remote control. Adding to its user-friendly features, the microscope comes with a wireless remote control. This feature allows users to capture pictures or record videos with a simple click, ensuring stability during filming or image capture. Wide application. The EDM9 Pro caters to a diverse range of applications. For electronics hobbyists, it aids in identifying SMD components and precision soldering. Watch repair enthusiasts will find it invaluable for oiling and diagnosing issues. Moreover, it serves as an excellent tool for educational purposes, allowing users to engage in backyard science with kids, exploring rocks, minerals, plants, and various items. Photo and video, more than a microscope. Beyond its primary function as a microscope, the EDM9 Pro doubles as a camera, allowing users to capture high-quality photos and videos. This feature transforms the microscope into a versatile tool for documentation and analysis. In conclusion, the ELIKLIV EDM9 Pro 1200x HDMI digital microscope is a powerhouse of features and capabilities. Its advanced technology, ergonomic design, and wide-ranging applications make it a standout choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're delving into the microscopic world of electronics or exploring the intricate details of a coin collection, the EDM9 Pro offers an immersive and precise viewing experience.